Sorry for interruption. There was some Wi-Fi problem. We were continuing standing exercises. So we were doing warrior posture like this way, standing, turn towards the right side, and stretch your spine backward, and bend down. Breathe normally. Slowly come back. Now turn towards the left side and bend down and stretch your spine backward. Slowly come back. Now we will do the legs splits comfortably, and hold your backrest, and you can hold your seat also like this, and breathe normally. Feel the stretch in your thigh joint, hip joint. Slowly come back. Now sit down, please. We'll practice some pranayama, breathing exercises. First, cleansing exercise. This is called Kapalbhati. It is one of the 6 purificatory techniques. It is called Shatkarma. Neti, Dhoti, Nauli, Pasti, Trata, Kapalbhati. And in this you make the Gyan Mudra and put your palms on the knees. This is in Chan Mudra. Spine, neck and head straight, eyes gently closed. Inhale deeply. A word of caution for those having hypertension, cardiac issues, they should do mildly, as we have practiced earlier, with mild force, mild speed. And the females having undergoing menstrual cycle and undergoing pregnancy, they should avoid it altogether. And the persons who have been recently operated upon of any abdominal surgery, they should not resort Kapalbhati for 1 year. So, and in this we exhale and exhale actively and inhale passively in between the 2 strokes. So, inhalation is mild, slow, shallow, and exhalation is forceful with normal speed, normal force. So, let us begin Kapalabhati with normal force, normal speed. Slowly come back. This is Kapalabhati with normal speed, normal force. Now Kapalabhati with mild speed, mild force for those having hypertension and cardiac issues. So the speed and quantum of force is slightly reduced. So let us begin this with mild speed, mild force, Kapalabhati. So this is mild Kapalabhati. After this Kapalabhati, we will practice Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Nadi Shodhan means it's cleansing our, purifying our channels of energy. We have three major channels. Left side is the Ida Nadi, right side is the Pingala Nadi, and in between both the Nadi is Sushumna Nadi. So left side represents the Chandraswar, that is cool, coolness, and right side represents the hot, heat, the Suraswar, that means sun, that is the energy. So balancing both the energies, cool and warm, we balances both the channels. So in this, we raise your right hand and block your, bend your first two fingers, block your left hand in Gyan Mudra, and block your right nostril. Inhale through left in 5 counts. Hold the breath for 5 counts, blocking both the nostrils. Exhale through right in 5 counts. Again inhale through right in 5 counts. Block both the nostrils. Hold, retain the breath. This is called Kumbhaka. Now Rechak. Exhale through left in 5 counts. Inhale through left in 5 counts. Hold the breath in 5 counts. Exhale the breath through right in 5 counts. This is 1:1:1 ratio in relation retention and exhalation. Now inhale through right in 5 counts. Hold the breath for 5 counts. Exhale the breath in 5 counts. Come back. This is 3-4 repetitions. You can do it longer also, depending upon the time available with you. So this has got the physiological benefits also, like it cures the hypertension, it cures the insomnia, it cures the headache, confusion, any stress and anxiety. And if you are having any sort of a confusion in your mind, or restlessness, or any sort of a negative thoughts, they are converted into positive, and you have a very sound sleep if you perform it just before going to the bed. So this pranayama can also be done after the meals also. Now we will do humming 3 times. Inhale, place the hands in Gyan Mudra, and inhale deeply, and humming 3 times. Inhale. Sit calmly and concentrate over your breath. Just visualize your body from the toes to the top of the head, relaxing each part of your body. Relax your spine, Relax your head, relax your arms and legs. Completely feel at ease and relaxation. Breathe normally and chant humming 3 times with Bhramari Pranayama. Place the first 2 fingers on your eyes and third finger in your below the nose, little finger below the lips, and cover your ears, humming in 3 times. Come back with your folded hands. Pray to the Almighty for our health, happiness, peace, and contentment in our life. Gradually open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this session. This is a brief session of half an hour for office yoga. And whenever you feel fatigue or lethargic, you can do some stretches like spinal and other joints exercises also. So gradually you will keep your body and mind fully agile and alert. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining this session. Namaste.